you do want to apply to the main destination that you'll be going, because if you apply to a second destination, then you need to provide an itinerary for that particular destination. And if that's not the main purpose of your trip, you don't want to miss things, for yourself. It doesn't mean that if I'm going to Italy, I cannot apply to France, but I need to show and provide an itinerary that shows that I would also be spending time in France. But it's always advisable, if you're going for an event or going for something in a particular country, you're going for a wedding in Italy, then apply to Italy. If you want to apply to France, then make sure that you do have an itinerary that shows that you would be spending time in France before you proceed to Italy. Now, should you disclose? A lot of people will tell you don't disclose, but I will tell you disclose. Disclose, just make it believable, because really, if you're not, unless you plan to spend 1 month in Paris, but then have activities that would show, would make them, convince them that you're actually there for good. Because Schengen visa, is one of the difficult, visas to get. Like, I hear people complain, they're easier countries. And I'm telling you that from experience. You might have a different opinion, but I'm telling you from experience that Schengen is one of the difficult ones. And it actually explains why, because you have access to 26 countries, either 25 or 26, you have access to all these countries. So they're a bit strict, and they want to know that you're here for good.